So I'll just cut down 3, 2, 1, and
Yeah.
okay, here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Hi everybody, it's Mike and Lucy, and we are back, and we are already in the future of us. Okay, we're at the Zoom meeting. This is Lucy Gable. Lucy, why don't you talk a little bit about some of the things that you've learned here at the Zoomtopia 2018 conference?
Well, we were just witnessing the future of technology, essentially, and how technology is going to help us, you, to speed forward in your authority, in your business, in your life, in your whatever you're trying to do to accomplish in life. You can speed that forward like 10 times through technology.
I think one of my takeaways, Lucy, actually came from the CEO of LinkedIn.
Yeah.
And he really talked about the difference between empathy and compassion.
Oh, yes.
And one of the keys for me was that term compassion, because I can definitely relate to anybody who is struggling to get new clients today. My industry was one of the first industries hit by the digital revolution, and it really changed it. And so it got my eyes open, and I see the more media there is, the more difficult it is to get new customers. And so that's kind of where my compassion is to help small business owners understand where we are, help them get new customers, and not only make the income they want, do it in the way they want, and with the greatest odds of achieving success. That's my takeaway from Zoomtopia.
Well, Mike, what I really like about what you're doing here is you're helping to bring that compassion piece and that human piece into the technology world, because we need both. Yeah. Technology is here, it's going to stay, it's going to keep growing in the lifespan of humans, but we also need to keep that humanity, that compassion, that understanding, that knowingness, so that we can maintain our individuality and our relationships. And I like that you're helping people to do that.
And I think we also learned with AI and everything else that technology doesn't create collaborations, people do.
That's right. That seemed good.
Good. Next. Just keep moving, keep talking.